Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 14 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down twice or at least once from the top of your screen to see all the toggles, and one of them will be the screen recorder. For me it is visible right over here. So once you see it on your end, you can just simply tap on this toggle. First time around it will ask you for permission to record audio, so we're just gonna select while using the app. Start it. Now you can choose what kind of sound will be recorded, so we have system and the microphone. And when you click start recording, obviously it begins recording, so whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. Once you're done, interact with this overlay right here and then click on the square. This will save your screen recording to your photos or gallery application, photos. And you can see it right here at the very top. You can also find your screen recording by going into your albums, and screenshots will have it along with videos. So, there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.